Hey everybody, Harold here. Today I want to talk to you about DataFrame concatenation and polars. It's like hstack and vstack in Excel, etc. All concatenations do return a new data frame because polars is immutable. So let's create some sample data here in my Colab notebook. I'll put a link to my GitHub repository and you all can go out there and see it and practice. Uh, Example usage, let's create 4 data frames. The first two are identical in the number of values in the rows, ID, name, and age. The third has city and salary, and the fourth just has ID and score. Let's print them all so we can see what we're looking at. There's our 1 with Alice, Bob, and Charlie, 2 with David, Eve, and Frank, 3 with NYC, LA, and Chicago, and 4 with the ID and score. Your basic vertical concatenation, stacking rows, vstack, you would say call it vertical and equals pl.concat, the list of the data frames, how you want to stack them vertically, and print vertical. So we've taken these two, stacked them on top of each other, and made them into one data frame. So that's basic vertical stacking. You can use vstack method also. Vstack equals df1.vstack df2. Does the same thing, maybe a little less syntax. Your basic horizontal, you can use concat how equals horizontal, and we'll do that on dfs 1 and 3. So we will add the city and salary to the ID, name, and age columns. So that's cool, that worked. We've added those two columns, made a new data frame. You could say hstack, easier syntax, whichever way you want to do it. df1.hstack df3 gives you the same results. Polars also has a diagonal stack. Uh, combines data frames with different schemas, and so you have data with sources with overlapping but not identical schemas, and you want to concatenate them. So we'll create that, and then we'll run all months equals pl.concat, January data, February data, March data, how equals diagonal, and we'll put a little line that says combine monthly data, and we'll print that data frame. So it took everything we had, and when there wasn't a region, it put null, and when there wasn't a product, it put null, but it did concatenate all the data frames. So that's what I'll have on DataFrame concatenation. If you'd like this video, I hope you liked it and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.